So now that we've explored some for loops, let's explore while loops. While loops are more interesting, certainly. So with while loops, can execute or run the block of code nested within its scope, as long as a condition within the parentheses is true. So for example, while true is returned here, it will keep executing until such a point as this condition here is false. So while true, we keep executing until the condition is false. We can certainly forcibly break out of a loop by using the break keyword, right? Or we can skip certain iterations by going continue, right? So we're skipping iterations of the code nested within the for loop. So for example, here I can set the counter variable outside, so let I equal 0. Then while I is smaller than 5, then I want you to keep displaying these couple of messages. Say hello world. Then I'm gonna go, my name is Jack, for example. And actually for good measure, I will keep track of our counter variable. Our counter variable is now, and then I'm just going to go I here. So I'm just going to save that. And actually there's a problem here because I did not put this in the script. So let me Control X, cut that out, and then paste it in the script. There we go. Now let me just go to Developer Tools here. In Chrome, Firefox, it also works. So here we have an error, type error here. Console is not a function, so you gotta go console.log rather. Otherwise you get an error. Console.log, not console. There we go. Now refresh. There we go. So it keeps going. Actually, this is an infinite loop. It does not terminate. Why does it not terminate? Right, so this condition will always be true. And let me refresh now. Actually, so we're gonna go to while loops here. And there we go. Now I'm just gonna go to Developer Tools again. There we go. So if I look at the code, so it goes 0, I 0 at first, right? Displays, increases I, goes back. Is I less than 5? Yes, I is less than 5. It's 1 now, right? Go here. Since I is 1, we display 1. Displays hello world. My name is Jack. It increases. Now it's 2. So it's 1, increases. Now it's 2. Goes up here. Is 2 less than 5? True. So this condition is true. While this condition is true, we have to keep displaying. So now we will display 2. Display 2 here. Display these 2 messages within the block of within the while loop scope. Then it increases to 3. Goes up here. Is 3 less than 5? Yes, 3 is less than 5. So it displays 3. Because it displays 3, it will display these hello world messages, and my name is Jack again. I++. Now it's 4. It's 4 less than 5. True. Now it displays I again. So we display 4. Goes to hello world, displays hello world. My name is Jack again. Now I++. Now it's 5. Check the condition. Is 5 less than 5? No, 5 is not less than 5. 5 is equal to 5. Therefore, this condition is now false. So the while loop will break now, and it will not display any more of these lines of code anymore because the condition is now false. So the while loop will continue as long as this condition here is true. So that's how it works. Thank you very much.